Hi friends, this is Rajeshwar Rayapati and welcome back to my channel Rayapati. Today we are going to discuss a scenario or a question that is posed to me in the comment section of my channel. Now if you see, he is asking about, it is asked by Mr. Shrikant. Now he's saying he has category, subcategory and product name in the view, and he must, the view must contain top 5 items which are product names from each subcategory. So how to do this? Now this is a solution for the same. Now if you see here, I have my category, I have my subcategory, and I have only top 5 product names based on their sale values. So how to achieve this? Now let me drag my category here as I mentioned, and then subcategory, and then product name. Fine, add all members. Now I'll drag sales into the text. Okay, and I'll again sort. Now what do we want? We want only top 5, not all. But generally what we tend to do is we tend to drag the product name in here and top by field 5, apply. Okay, but what is happening here? Here the issue is you are getting top 5 sales throughout the subcategories, not per every individual subcategory. And there might be many other solutions for this, because in Tableau you have n number of ways to solve any given situation. Now when we are talking here, I'll use table calculations here to get a solution, and specifically I'll be using rank function. So let me create a calculated field. This is something like simple rank of sum of sales, right? Now I'll name it as rank sales. Okay, there is already another field rank sales, so I'm just taking as rank sales. Now if I drag this rank sales into the text, or let me drag this rank sales side. See here, you are getting your ranks here, right? So how many number of rows you have? 1856. So what does rank do? It will rank every row in the view. Now if you see, when I'm ranking this, it is showing all. See, almost 1700. So you can, the maximum rank possible is 1856. So what is happening? It is ranking every product name that is in the view. But we don't want that, right? We want only for the subcategory. So here I will use compute using, and I'll go for pane down. Now every pane, see here, every subcategory is a pane here. So for every pane you have your ranks. So for every subcategory, it is again starting from 1, if you see. Okay, so now you achieve this. Then I'll just hold Control and Shift and drag this rank of sales to filters. And here I'll just mention top 5. Apply. Oh, okay. By this way, you got top 5 products per each subcategory. Now, when I dragged this rank of sales from here using holding Control and Shift, we got this top 5. Now, what I'm doing is I'm removing this and I'm dragging my rank sales in here. Okay, I just want to show a mistake that people do. Even I did this mistake, so that is why I put my rank of sales here. Here I'll say 5. We need top 5 only, right? Apply. Okay. Now again, you are not getting that. That is because when you drag the field, see, whenever you are using table calculation acts only for the field in the view. These table calculations are not present for the field in the data pane. We can do that, like here by addressing this default table calculations, we can do that. But now when you drag this field's table calculation and this field's table calculations are different. Now so again you have to address this by using compute using a pane, and again put your 5 here. Now you will get the top 5 product names throughout the subcategory. Okay, So this is for today, guys. Please do like, subscribe, share my channel Rayapati. Also share it with your friends who are looking for support on Tableau. And also I am present on Telegram. Uh, that the Telegram channel, yeah, this is my Telegram channel, Rayapati YouTube channel. If you have any doubts on Tableau, you can join this channel and post in this. Okay, thank you guys, thanks a lot.